Hey everyone, this is Tristan, and I'm going to show you a demo of our new front office tools to help owners and GMs better run their team, better connect everything, better save everybody time, and just have a lot more information. As well as I'm going to show a new feature I'm working on, which is called the LG notification system. So to start, this is our standard new manager tool. It's a front office. It's been completely redone from what you may have seen before. Everything's a lot kind of simpler. Everything's buttons now rather than kind of checking off users and trying to figure all that out. So right here you can see it's first divided into teams. You can see the Toronto Maple Leafs, the Toronto Marlies. You've got your tabs up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a player to the team. So you've probably seen this before, but this one it's kind of a lot more simpler. And you'll notice right here you can just quickly select the team. So I'm going to add myself, Tristan, to let's say the Marlies. I'm going to start down below. Add player. Pretty straightforward. Player's been added. You'll see him down there down below. Another kind of cool thing is just to make it foolproof is you can't kind of add random players. It'll actually check against the roster. So I want to add Stagzilla to the Maple Leafs. It's going to tell me this user is already on the Pittsburgh Penguins. You cannot do that. So a useful tool. Also, again, you can directly add guys right into whatever team you need to. So as guys get added or removed or however the season happens, you can easily use this tool. So as you can see here, it's basically completely different. I've got information of what everything is here, so you can see to call up a user or send them down. They're just buttons now. You don't have to check their names. One touch does it all. So let's say Tristan. I want to say he changed his number to let's say 7. It'll update that. He is now, let's say he is a right wing. Update that, and it's injured reserve. GM owner. Simply click those buttons and it will automatically do that. So let's call him up. And there he is in the NHL. So really simple to manage. Now, another feature I want to show you is this new warning system. So before, the way we've done it before is you would just basically click on a user, say, hey, you're issued for league removal, do something. It was kind of just a one-off. It was up to the user to basically either respond, then up to the GMs and owners and commissioners all kind of get together to figure out if the user should be removed. There's an actual system now that's completely integrated into handling this. So let's say I wanted to issue this person a league removal. So a little pop-up comes up. So what do you want to do? Do you want to issue a league removal or another warning? Another warning could be the guy missed a practice, he was late for a game. Anything you want to document on the user that we want to keep on record. So I'm going to issue a league removal here. Hasn't shown up. So you can issue this. Now what it's going to do, like I said, it's two-way. So now when the user goes to the site, which we'll do right now, he's going to see this pop-up right here. You've been issued an official league warning. It's going to give you all information. Message: user hasn't shown up. Now the actual user is going to get an option to, respond. Oh, I still want to continue with my commitment, or I need to quit, remove me, yada yada yada. So in this case, I'm going to say I want to respond. So let's say, sorry, busy with work. So issue response. Now, all the owners have been notified. All the GMs have been notified. All the league officials for this case has been notified. And what it'll do is if we have a new thing here called the warning list, it'll actually show up right here. So it's all documented. And if you go to news, user Tristan has responded to legal warning. There's everything else we've just done. Now, what else I want to show you is the notification system, so which is up here. And if we give that a little click, you'll see LG notifications. Let me just move this over into the window. This is everything you've done. Anything that updates your account shows up right there. See, so like for example, let me go back into let's say front office, and let's say Tristan, hey, I'm going to make you GM. So I would get a notification. See, you've been promoted to general manager. Everything that's ever happened here, you've been called up to the Toronto Maple Leafs. Your position has been updated to right wing. Your player number has been updated to number 7. you've been assigned to the Toronto Maple Leafs organization. Anything that happens to your account now gets updated in this brand new system for LG notifications. So you're going to know about it. It's also going to go to your phone. I have a phone right here. And you can see the latest one has been updated. Account update. You've been promoted to general manager. So that's actual push notification on an actual phone. So anything that happens to your account now gets updated. Pretty straightforward, and very easy to use. One-click buttons. That's how you manage the teams this year. So hope you guys enjoy, and hope this answers most of your questions. Ciao.